Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. I'm sorry I missed y'all last week. I got my voice back. Still a lot of sneezing, but a lot better than I was. Boy, let me tell you, I thought I had laryngitis. But I'm making something very simple today. We know fall is, well, today's the first day of fall. Curtis, didn't I make something last year too on the first day of fall?
I think so.
For something pumpkin. No, I got to go back and look at it. But I'm making a pumpkin dessert, which is a pumpkin crunch cake, is what they call them. And they are good. They're quick. They're easy. But let's go ahead and jump in. And everything you need is in the description. I'm going to start out with, what is this? This is a 15-ounce can of pumpkin. Now you do want the 100% pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix. It needs to be 100% pumpkin. There's nothing in it but pumpkin. If you get the other one, you're going to have a mess. It won't work. This here is just all pumpkin, but we're going to get our pumpkin in there. It's so easy, y'all. Okay. We're going to get our eggs in there. Our spice. Our sugars. And our milk. Which, don't confuse it, you don't want condensed, you want evaporated milk, not the sweet one. And a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just gonna get this mixed up really well till everything's mixed up. Okay, I have my 9 by 13 pan here, lightly sprayed or oiled. Now make sure you mix up your mix really well, because you want those eggs mixed in there well. Okay. All right. Get that out of the way. Now get you your favorite boxed cake. This is the simple part. I'm using the pumpkin. And they're going to come in a 14 to 15 ounce box. Okay? You're just going to use this dry mix. And we're going to put this right over top. Just drizzle that right over top. I can't wait to have some of this with coffee. It never lasts long. But I'm going to continue drizzling this, or pouring this. I have a bad habit of saying that, drizzle. Don't know why I do that. Get your corners well. And I'll continue this, the whole bag here. Okay, now I mentioned on these, did I bring that up to them that they can use like a spice cake if they want, or a yellow cake, a butter pecan cake? You can use on these. I got lucky and found the pumpkin boxed cake, so that's what I'm using. So if you do, you use like a yellow cake or a butter pecan cake. I would do less spice. I put in 2 teaspoons of the pumpkin spice into the pumpkin filling. So if you're going to use any kind of spice cake, I would go with what I'm doing here, just the 2 teaspoons. But if you're going to use a yellow cake or butter pecan, I would use 3 teaspoons of the pumpkin pie spice. Now, it's very important that you cover all of this cake with melted butter. Now you're going to say, God, A whole cup of butter, but remember, you're not eating this whole cake. I hope you're not, because we don't want none of this left dry in areas. So I'm going to continue drizzling this on here. You know what? I meant to do my, well, I'll do the pecans last. I'll continue drizzling this on here, y'all. Okay. Now, I know you're saying, well, there's dry spots there, but, you know, if you put it on it, it just runs right over top of it. But that butter is going to start rising up over everything as it cooks. But get it spread out much as you can. And then we're going to put some pecan pieces on top. And I got my oven preheated to 350. And we're going to bake this. These normally take, these are like dump cakes, I guess. These are going to take between 45 minutes to an hour. Ovens vary. Yours could take longer. But insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. So, it's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. So, in the oven it goes, guys. Okay, my friends. Mine baked for almost an hour. Toothpick came out clean. It's almost like you're making a pumpkin pie. You got that pumpkin filling on the bottom. And it's absolutely delicious. You can top this with sweet cream. You could put some caramel sauce on it, some ice cream, but we like it like this, and it's still warm. And I cut us all a slice, so that's just how I presented it. Curtis, do you want to try it?
No, I just got to eat some sweets right now.
He just finished eating some sweets. Then why'd you tell me to go ahead and cut one?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Uh-huh. Look here, guys. Let me show that to you. See there? Bring it up closer so you can see it better. It really is delicious. It's still warm. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good. But I hope you guys enjoy that. Give it a try. It is fall time baking, so happy baking to all of y'all. We will see you guys next week. As I stated, everything's in the description. You guys have a blessed week, and we'll see you later. Love y'all. Bye-bye.